big men they have themselves before. This news say, you go see say Wike first gave Baba Falana woto. Now he call return woto. This one talk say this one a liar. This one talk say now the only lie bencher wey never win any case. Now this one come call reply am tell am say his son SAN they give am out of consideration. Now the news I won't hear you for here so. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I beg, click the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you will be notified. Let's get started. As you can see, this news is coming from Premium Times. Wike's aide tackles Falana, questions human rights lawyer over SAN title. The title you have. I target war of words. Wike versus Falana versus Olayinka. You get the point now. Let's get started. What is start this matter? Now media chat now Wike organize for this round one. Now so they call answer question. Because they call Baba Falana a TV lawyer. He's a television lawyer he be for channels. He's a liar. He was a senior lawyers who live on telling lies. Now the video be this. Look, watch out together.
Okay, so that is clarified. The second issue is what party do the assembly members of Rivers State belong to?
They belong to PDP.
They belong to PDP.
Yeah, the court has ruled the other day. You see, when people are Femi Falana, who is the lawyer to channels on all these things, lies. I mean, a senior advocate, you go to court, you lie that the issue of defection is at the Federal High Court. You refuse to tell people that you did what they call a cross appeal. When the Court of Appeal gave judgment that these people have defected, you had a cross appeal in Supreme Court. And Supreme Court made a pronouncement about it. You lied.
So will you...
When the judgment came out, people said, I think they said Supreme Court has not pronounced on the defection. What happened a few days ago? Federal Court said Supreme Court has settled this matter of defection. Now, if such people at that level can come out on national television and lie, and you may not take it serious, but it's very hurting. And lies can cause a lot of crisis. Before you know it, so many things have gone wrong. And there are things you don't do. And that's what the problem I have with some senior lawyers who live on telling lies. Lies.
Now so it happen Wait till happen. Now Baba Falana released a statement. Which statement? Now he make round 2. The round 2, it was a contrary to Mr. Wike's assertion. I did not lie against the Supreme Court. It long ago, I just a pick. Okay? It is public knowledge that Mr. Wike prayed the Supreme Court to high heavens and held a Thanksgiving service to celebrate the decision. Okay? He got us say, unlike Mr. Wike, who calls judges names when they disagree with his politics of opportunism, I have always criticized judicial decisions with utmost decorum and in good faith. Now here, the woto day, waiting be this woto. It also say, Mr. Wike is the only live bencher in Nigeria who has never handled a case in any trial or appellate court. He said Wike never handled any case before, and he can't be live bencher. When I saw this, I said, live bencher, never handle. No be say he win himself, never handle any trial or appellate court. I said, now senior advocate they talk so about another lawyer. At least you should have the information. Is it true? Maybe Wike's camp, they go reply say, see the cases where in the handle. Whether you lose or you win, it no matter. Look at the cases. Look, we see the next round of bomb. Because this one not give out auto. It can give out auto back. Now, Wike's head can reply Falana. Look, we see what he talk. It will say, it is funny and ridiculous that in the mind of Falana, look at it all, only those who have handled cases in trial or appellate courts are real lawyers. My people, who are lawyers? I don't know, now go tell me. Because you know they talk about live bencher now. For falana, he's talking about live bencher. He could talk say real lawyers. The man not talk about real lawyers. He's talking about that title of being a live bencher. He said, this man, not be all lawyers. They practice law. Now they talk so. Okay? Wait till they practice. Please drop it in the comment section. I beg, wanna bear with me, because if I read like this, I feel they laugh. So people they talk say you do the laugh. I beg, wanna bear with me, okay? We'll continue. Apart from going on television to make noise, he's talking about falana. Apart from going to television to make noise, what has falana contributed to the legal profession? See now, only noise. Now if falana they make, he never contribute anything. Even the son he got, even the son he got, senior advocate of Nigeria, where falana got, was it not an afterthought? Afterthought? You know what this oga they talk so? He they talk say it's like something where they consider true consideration. They call consider and not be say the person merit am. Allegedly, on talk afterthought. They look at what the person present. True feelings. Why? Years of what? He said years after his peers. Years after his peers. His classmates. His age mates. People they graduated together. His peers. He said even the son he got, was it not an afterthought? Years after his peers had already attained the rank. It's like you get, I'm interpreting this so, it's like you get, say, let's say 5 students for your class. All of them don't graduate to, They don't graduate finish. They don't come up for school. This one, you know one graduate. All of them don't graduate, don't get their son. They call consider and say, you don't do thing for this class. Okay, maybe just go let us graduate. This man come out, let's read again. Apart from going on television to make noise, what has falana contributed to the legal profession? Even the son he got, was it not an afterthought? Years after his peers had already attained the rank? I say, because I know they believe all comments where they see. They get all comments, some comments like that where they see that time where VDM and the falana they get issues. So people they comment for comment section say the last sang one song. And what's sabi the song? If you sabi the song, drop it in the comment section. They say the last sang one song. You're gonna drop it for comment section. When I saw this, I can't remember that comment, but I not can't remember the song. What do you not think about this matter? Say that they get stand through afterthought. This other one, where Baba give and say, Mr. Wike is the only live bencher in Nigeria who has never handled, the only one who has never handled a case in any trial or appellate court. Oh my God. No history, allegedly, I don't know. He got to say, the question is, what has falana done for the legal profession? Even in his home state of Ekiti, he has no legacy. Bar centers were built by Harry Afe Babalola, SAN, and Chief Wole Olanikpeku, SAN, not falana. But must a son build a bar center on the body supposed build our own government or judiciary? I don't know. I'm going to correct me for comment section. Okay? If as a senior advocate of Nigeria, you could say 3 members form a quorum, questions need to be asked. How exactly you qualify for the rank of this? You know this one, you know? As this matter they go on, people call they react. Cause see, waiting Isaac Fayose call talk.
Lady Olayinka, you are now abusing Falano. Falano is now your mate. Falano is now Wike's mate. Oh, let come on, no more training. They don't use land for spoil your brain. Oti Ganu Sile Abuja. You don't Ganu see You are now a glutton. When born again, black slide. They now turn to they now do more than the people in the world. Lere, is Falana your mate? Is Falana Wike's mate? Who is Wike when Falana they talk? Lere. No. You don't turn to glutton now. Chop by chop. They chop people's commonwealth generation. Now they chop. Everybody chop. Let me see. Don't. Lere, you can't do talk. Falana na your mate. Wike work before. All the money where he get. Did he work for those money? Tell me one work where Wike don't do, where you they compare Wike with Falana. Is that not disrespectful? If they send you job, Lere, Tobaro money share rule, half for policy, where is your brain? If they send you slave job, why you don't use your brain do the job? You can't talk to Falana. Compare Falana to your Wike. No. I'm disappointed. You wait the day for my house. Humble boy, you don't galusile. Now you are a land grabber. You talk to anybody anyhow. You know, time go soon reach. You don't forget, say you, Femi Falana and Ojudu, planned coup against Fayose 2006 to declare state of emergency in Ekiti. You don't forget, you know, time go soon end. Nothing will know the end. Continue to the galusi, Lere Olopolo Dudu. Come out.
You see the matter so? This time, we'll check how people suppose attain those titles because it's very necessary. Now, we will see the steps of attaining this title, life bencher. Number one, what you need to do, you go be graduate of law. You must get that degree from an accredited university. Number two, you must complete Bar Part 1 program. That is for foreign trained lawyers. If you were trained outside Nigeria, you can't call Nigeria, you want practice. Or if na Nigeria you dey, proceed directly to Bar Part 2. Okay? Next, enroll and pass the Bar Part 2 program at the Nigeria Law School. Be called to the Nigeria Bar by the body of benchers. Next, enroll as a barrister and solicitor of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. Practice law actively. They say you must practice law actively, meaning say they get cases now, but Baba Falana talk say this person no single typically for at least 15 years. At least 50 years to gain eminence. What are they say? Demonstrate distinction in the legal profession through notable achievements. Notable achievement meaning some notable cases have been to build buildings, buy houses, build roads. You're gonna tell me in the comment section notable achievement. But that one thought say to become a lawyer is not only by practice or maybe by building. Okay, I don't understand. Okay, I don't know. Muna correct me for comment section. I just think, sir. And my thought I try to share with you now. Next, be nominated for appointment as a bencher by the body of benchers. They go nominate you. People will know the there. Okay. Be appointed as a bencher under section 311 of the Legal Practitioners Act. Be conferred the status of life bencher by the body of benchers. Now that's the answer. So wetin Larry talk. Now true. He not really answer that question of becoming a life bencher. He say, Babati say, now only those way they practice be real lawyers. Some lawyers they will be saying they know they practice. But can those lawyers when know they practice also attain that name called life bencher? What do you not think? But we'll continue. Let's now investigate how to become a son in Nigeria. Because somebody thought say, now after thought, now you gain that position. Now you carry that name. They dash you for consideration, out of consideration, allegedly. First, obtain a law degree from an accredited university. Complete the Bar Part 1 program, just like the one we read before for life bencher. The same thing. Okay? Because the same thing. This one still did the one we read before. Enroll as barrister and solicitor. This one did that one. Practice law actively for at least, this one at least 10 years post call. Okay? That one at least 15 years. 10 years, okay? Next, demonstrate professional competence and distinction in advocacy or academics. You can be a teacher. They teach law. You are very, very good. People know say your head fire. The blow command. Next, submit at least 20 final judgments from superior courts, High Court, Court of Appeal, or Supreme Court. Showcasing your advocacy. Larry, they tell us, say, but I don't get these ones. What do you think? Okay, allegedly. Provide evidence of handling at least 5 complex legal opinions or transactions. This another one, aside this qualification, at least, there's another one of at least, this one, complex legal opinions, evidence. So, this one, they feel, come out and, Baba must sue somebody, allegedly, must sue somebody. If you don't sue somebody for this one, because this one, is strong past very dark maono. Because this one, the name, the title is under scrutiny. What do you think? Make you not sue or make you sue. Okay. Show leadership in the legal profession, e.g., bar activities, pro bono works. That is, you feel a person win case or you feel represent person and the person no even pay you money. You understand that of thing. More continue. Another one, apply for SAN rank during the annual application window. Typically January, February, March. Between February and March, okay? Pass the screening by the Legal Practitioners Privileges Committee. Okay? Undergo interviews, not only one, and verification of submitted cases. Because any case where you don't enter before, where you contribute, put, where you win or you lose, they everywhere. They will go verify them and even judgment, judge the matter. Be confirmed the SAN rank by the Chief Justice of Nigeria at the Supreme Court. You don't see answer. Now this process, they get SAN. If I am correct, you can correct me in the comment section if I miss any of them, both live bencher and SAN. But person they tell us, say, apart from going on television to make noise, what has falana contributed to the legal profession? Even the SAN he got, was it not an afterthought? Now journalists they talk so. When we say we believe it, they get information, they sabi, they talk responsibly, not irresponsible talk. Meaning you know what they talk allegedly. Even the SAN he got, was it not an afterthought? Years after his peers had already attained the rank. Baba thought say for this other one, Mr Wike is the only live bencher in Nigeria who has never handled a case in any trial. Baba, brain the hot sabiti so or appellate court. What do you not think about this whole matter? Where they go for our bongo where they call Nigeria? Say 2 ogas, 2 lawyers, SAN and live bencher. They give them say what. What do you think? Drop it in the comment section. Again, don't forget to like, share, and drop your comment. Thank you.